In a galaxy far, far away, there is a planet named Lotus, known for its rare plant life with psychedelic qualities. A very creative artist named Donna from Art By Donna was looking for inspiration and ended up on the planet. She brought a group of her very talented creative friends together for a 2-day collaboration. Starring Nathan from The Fine Art of Distraction as Finn. Hero, famous quote, Rebel Scum. Starring Kim from Kim's Creation as Chewbacca. Hero, famous quote, use the Force, Luke, you can do this. Starring Krissey from Kissed Krissy as Grand Moff Tarkin. Villain, famous quote, reserve my trust for those who take action, General Skywalker. Starring Kristey from Kreations by Kristey as R2-D2. Hero, famous quote, bleep, bloop, bleep, bleep, boop. Starring Mary from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk as Rey Skywalker. Hero, famous quote, never be afraid of who you are. Starring August from August Acrylic Art as C-3PO. Hero, famous quote, what do you mean naked? Starring Tonja from Kreations with Tonja as Padme Amidala. Hero, famous quote, I know it is a horrifying situation, but you can't fight every evil in the galaxy. Starring Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art as Darth Maul. Villain, famous quote, my life ends when only my rage has been vented, when my need for vengeance is satisfied. Starring Michael from Michael's Making Art as Kylo Ren. Villain, famous quote, let the past die, it is the only way you will become what you meant to be. Starring Wombat from Venom Fluid Art as Yoda. Hero, fear is the path to the dark side, fear leads to anger, anger leads to hate, hate leads to suffering. Starring Michelle from Royal River Art as Princess Leia. Hero, famous quote, why you stuck-up, half-witted, scruffy-looking nerf herder. Starring Donna from Art By Donna as Darth Vader. I am your father. Starring Holly from The Morning Pour as the Emperor Palpatine. Villain, famous quote, your feeble skills are no match for the power of the dark side. Starring Heema with Heema Art as Lando Calrissian. Hero, famous quote, why you slimy, double-crossing, no-good swindler. Starring Lina with Lina Park Art as Han Solo. Hero, famous quote, you like me 'cause I'm a scoundrel. There aren't enough scoundrels in your life. Starring Jane with Matilda and Josephine as Ben Solo. Trying to stay good. Famous quote, no, no, you're still holding on, let go. Starring Aishus with the Aishus Crafty Kids Club as Obi-Wan Kenobi. Hero, famous quote, Sith Lords are our specialty. Starring Pseudo with Resin Artists as Baby Yoda or Grogu. Could be hero or villain, famous quote, Patu. Starring Marie with Marie-Louise Art as Jabba the Hutt. Villain. Famous quote, there will be no bargain, my young Jedi. I shall enjoy watching you die. Starring Betty from Oak by Betina as Boba Fett. Villain, famous quote, you can run, but you will only die tired. Starring Taz from Taslima Maya Art as Admiral Akbar. Hero, famous quote, it's a trap. Starring Antara from Antara's Art Cafe as Anakin Skywalker. Hero, famous quote, I do not fear the dark side as you do. Starring Kathy from Grandma Kathy's Art Venture as Greedo. Villain, famous quote, it's too late. You should have paid him when you had the chance. And now I will show you how Planet Lotus was created. Producer, Kristey from Kreations by Kristey. Co-producer, Shannon from Shamby Fluid Art. No feelings were hurt during the making of this video. All creators and names and characters were randomly drawn from a hat. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Just so you know, those were all randomly picked out of a hat. I put names in one hat and characters in the other, and I drew from both, and whatever you got, you got. I just didn't want anybody to think that I picked who your characters were, so I sure didn't. So here we go. I am just going to fill up this cup. We're going to wing it today. I'm going to see what I can come up with to make a planet. So let's just do this, and I will play some music. All right, guys, I'm just going to pick this up, wipe off the bottom, and set it up on something to bring you guys down for a close-up. But I just wanted to say, before me, you had the amazing Krissey from Kissed Krissy. Super, super awesome lady. If you missed anyone before me, please go back and watch. They're all incredible. After me is the always amazing Acrylic Art by Kirk. So don't go anywhere. We have a ton left for you. All amazing creators and people. So thank you for watching, and I will just see you guys on the next one. Bye. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think she turned out really cool. Yeah, I'm super happy with how she turned out. If you have any questions, please leave them there as well. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I want to take a second to thank Donna from It's Art by Donna for putting all this together. It's so much work and it takes so much time, and you are just incredible at it. I'm honored to be here with all you amazing people and creators. I just love you to pieces, Donna. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys. Don't forget, stay with us. We have a ton left for you. All right, love you guys, and I will just see you on the next one. Bye.